What's up guys, this is Ernest from Corners Interiors. Welcome to our first part of this tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make this stunning kitchen design in Autodesk 3ds Max 2024. So let's get started. Alright, so change this viewport from perspective to top like this. Right, so this is our reference image. Okay, so at first I'm going to make this bottom cabinet. So let me start by making this topic. Alright, so I'm going to use a rectangle as a guide for the walls. So this rectangle must be 2 by 3. Alright, so let me put the dimensions here. Right, so this is going to be 3 meters, right? So this is 300 centimeters. If you don't know how to set these units, just click here on customize unit setup. Alright, then change this metric to centimeters. Already I've changed this to centimeters. Then click this unit system unit setup like this. Then change here again to centimeters. Then close this one, close this one like this. Then the other side, which is the width, is going to be 200 like this. Alright, that's fine. So let me hide grid for now. Right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to draw a box. Alright, just click here and create a geometry box like this. Alright, so I create this 3D name. So this helps us to snap the vertex. Alright, so right click and then activate this option which says vertex, then click here like this. Alright, so this box is a guide. Right, this box is a guide. Right, so this box measures it has a height of 90, let me use 85 centimeters, 85 centimeters like this. So 85 centimeters, right? And then the width is fine. This is 2 meters, so let me add this dimension manually. So this is going to be something like 50 centimeters, yes, something like this. Right, then change this color to something like gray, which is visible in the viewport. Then turn on edge faces like this. Alright, so from this point of view we have 1, 2 cupboards and this opening right here. Alright, so remember with this picture or this curtain here, this is going to be something like 10 centimeters, right? So let me convert this box to edgeable or like this. Then I wanna add an edge like this, right? So this edge must be 10 centimeters from the ground. So this is found. So what I'm going to do is to select this edge and snap it to this bottom vertex like this. Then I want to push this vertex up by 10 centimeters. So just type 10 here on this bottom coordinate, or just use a right click here like this, and then just type 10 here like this way. You see, right? So this is going to be the skating. So now let me start to draw the cabinets. Alright, so I'm going to use this plane for these cabinets like this. Alright, so I'm not using dimensions, I'm just showing you how to create these cabinets like this. So let me take off these ones and use to like this, right? So you can use 3 depending on your preference. So let me show you how to use 3. Select this plane like this and draw a plane like this. Make sure 3D snip is on, then activate this like this. Then from this point of view, convert 8 segments like this. So this is 2, so this is 3 now. But remember, this one is very small, right? So this one is very small. So let me convert this thing to editable poly like this, right? So I want to push these vertices towards this direction like this. Right? Turn off 3D snip towards this direction like this. So our cabinets are going to join here. That's why I pushed this vertex along this x-axis like this, right? Okay, like this. So this is perfect now. So the next thing that I'm going to do, remember here we have this collar. So let me activate this front like this. Then I want to push this down like this. Alright, so this is fine, this is fine. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to add a segment here because I want to extrude this box. So I'm going to use the swiftly to add a segment here. So this is it, like this. I'm going to push this box, and this one towards this direction like this. Hold down shift and push it like this. Hold down shift and push it like this. Right. This side you're going to put a stove here and a fan extractor here. Right. So this is it. So this space is like this. Alright. So next thing that I'm going to do from here is to extrude this to make grout. So extrude these edges like this. Then select these edges, then find extrude and extrude like this. Right. So most of the time I use 0.5. So let me see how best I can adjust this thing now. Right. I think I can use 0.3. Let me try 0.2. Remember, this is cloud, right? So keep this dimension. Okay. While selecting these edges, then delete like this. Alright. So remember, these cupboards must have a width or a depth. So I want to add shear modifier to enable that feature like this. Alright, so let me push these vertices out like this. Alright, maybe something like 2 centimeters. Yes, like this. See, this is what we have now. But remember, we have an opening here, so I don't need this cupboard anymore. So I'll convert this to a editable poly like this. Then I'll change this view to front like this. Alright. So select these vertices, this one. Or before I delete this one, let me draw a box because I want to make an opening here. So I'll use this box to pull in the opening. Right. So let me draw a box like this, and then I can copy this box for now and delete it. So I've just copied the box. So now let me delete it like this. I don't need it anymore for now. Alright. So let me delete like this. So select these 4 vertices, hit delete on your keyboard like this. This is perfect now. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is to paste that box again. Right, so just click paste in place like this, then increase the height of the box. Remember, I want to use boolean, so the box must overlap all the sides along y-axis like this. So let me select this box and click here on plus sign, then change from standard primitives to compound objects like this. Then hit this properly, make sure this option is selected, then start clicking like this. Alright, so this is perfect now. So this is where we're going to design this cabinet, these shelves. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to change this view, or yes, I want to paste that box again here in place. So paste that box again in place, and change this view to top like this. I want to make this big cabinet, so I'll change this to wireframe overlay. Then I'll push this back like this. Alright, so from here I want to convert this to a table poly like this. Then I'll change these vertices. I'll snap these vertices to this cabinet like this. Then I'll push this back again like this. So remember, this box must be 2 centimeters, right? So I'll type -2 along y-axis, right? This is where. So this is -2 centimeters like this. Alright, so this is fine. So let me activate this view to see what we have now. See, this is what we have now. So let me add this color to this board like this. Alright, so remember to save the project, because the program can crash anytime. So just click on file and save like this. So this is kitchen design tutorial like this, then hit save like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to make the shelves. So I'll change this view to this view. So this is top view now. So let me hit G to deactivate grid. So I want to copy this box so that I can save time. So to copy this box, make sure this option this right. So next thing, just hold and shift and rotate like this 90 degrees. Don't copy as instance, just copy like this. Alright, so I'll snap these vertices here like this. See, and I'll snap this one is here as well. Alright, so I'll create front view like this. See, this is what we have now. Alright, so let me make copies of this one. But before I do that, let me position this properly like this thing. Hit shift on the keyboard to make copies like this. Alright, so now I can make this instance. Alright, so let me adjust this to something like this. Alright, so this is perfect, guys. Let me show you what we have now. This is what we have. Let me activate the edge faces so that you can see what we have. Alright, so let me add a material. Let me add black here and add a material so that I can see what I'm doing right there. Right, see, this is what we have now. So the next thing that I'm going to do from this point of view is to make this cabinet here. Alright, so let me draw a plane. So remember, this is left, So I'll switch to left view like this. So hit G on the keyboard to turn off this grid. Then I'll draw a plane again. So change this compound object, select primitives. Then on geometry, select plane like this. Make sure 3D snap is on. Then you draw like this way. Alright. So how many cabinets am I going to put here? I think we have 1, 2, 3. So our stove must be aligned. Where is it? Alright, so let me convert this to 8 zero poly. Alright, then let me adjust these cabinets. Alright, yes, hit yes on the keyboard to deactivate. So this is where I'm going to place this this oven. Alright, and the cooktop is going to be placed here, and then from there let me select these edged faces, these vertices. So I want to snap it yes on the keyboard to activate this snap to. Then I bring these vertices down again like this. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to let me switch to default setting like this. Edge faces on like this. Right, I want to extrude this to make what? So remember last time I used 2 centimeters. Was it 2 or something like 0.2? Yes, I used 0.2, I'm sure. Okay, so let me delete these faces like this. Then from this point of view, I can draw a box. So this is the left, so let me draw a box. Right, then I'll copy that box. So I'm going to design this thing like the same way we did previously. So with this box, then make sure 3D snap is on, then draw a box like this. That's fine. So I'm going to make a copy of this one. Right, so let me delete it now. Alright, so let me add shape with this box so that I can have a better thickness. Alright, so select shell like this. Alright, so this is fine. Last time I used 2 centimeters here. Right, so change this color to black like this, then apply a material. Alright, apply a material like this. Alright, this is fine. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to delete this middle cabinet. Magenta bar left like this. Alright, so let me collapse this. So convert it to a table poly like this. Then activate okay, let me use this default shading. So select this one. Select this one. Hold down control for multiple selection. Select this one. So please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Then hit delete on your keyboard. Right. Then from this point of view, I'm going to place in place the box that I made previously. Remember, this is where we are going to place the oven. Then I can adjust the height of this box. This box must overlap along x-axis like this. Then from this point of view, turn off this 3D snap. Right, I want to make an opening right there. So select this box, then click on this plus sign, then change from standard primitives to compound objects like this. Then hit Pro Bowling like this, then start picking like this. Make sure this subtraction option is activated like this. Alright, so this is perfect now. So this is where we are going to place our micro oven. This is where we're going to place our oven. Wow. So this is perfect now. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is to make the countertop. I'm going to make the countertop. So for that one, it's going to be very easy since I have this box. Let me convert it to a table ball like this. Then select these polygons, these top polygons, this one. So from this point of view, I can make a copy or I can detach this one. So select this detach option like this. Then detach this one as clone like this. Alright. So select everything like this. Then select out and deselect other faces. So you see, I want to edit this face now, right? So the first thing that I must do is to add shell to this shape like this. You see, this is what I have now. This is 2 centimeters. Okay, so let me switch this view to top like this. Then activate wireframe override like this. Right, so collapse this box, the table ball like this. Alright, it's fine. Select these vertices like this. Alright, I want to snap these vertices right here. So hit S1 on keyboard like this. Then from this point of view, I want to snap these vertices to this point like this. So this is perfect, guys. So let me convert this to. Alright, so remember, on top of these cabinets with a small sink, so I just imported this sink. So if you don't know how to download this sink model, just open your Chrome browser and search for 3ds Max sink model, free, or you can buy it. Some of these models are not for free, so you can buy or you can just find something which is free. Okay, so let me adjust this size of this sink so that it can be placed here like this. Alright, so once I'm satisfied with the result, the next thing that I'm going to do is to make pulling. So draw a box like this on top view, then create default shading, then perspective, then turn on edge faces like this. Alright, so I'm going to use this box to make this sink cabinet pulling. Alright, so copy this box, because once you apply a boolean, this box is going to be deleted. So copy this one and select this one, turn off 3D snap like this. Alright, so you see this hierarchy is not at the center of or this pivot is not at the center of this thing. So I'm going to adjust this hierarchy, then affect pivot centered object like this. This is perfect. So select this countertop, then hit plus, then change from standard primitives to compound objects like this. Then hit Pro Boolean, make sure the subtraction option is checked, then start picking like this. Alright, so I've just made an opening on this countertop where I'm going to place our sink. So next thing, I'm going to select this box again, and then this box I'm going to pull in it. So I must paste in place the box that I copied earlier like this, then increase the height of this box, then push it down a little bit so that you can preserve these sink cabinets. Alright, like this. Okay, increase the height a little bit. This cabinet, this box must align with this cabinet, right? Like this. So select this box, hit plus, compound objects, Pro Boolean, start picking, and pick this box like this. So you see, this is where our sink fits in like this. Okay, let me not align it. I can adjust it manually. Alright, so this is it. Let me push it up a little bit. something like this. All right, so this is perfect. This is perfect. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do, let me activate this edge faces. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. You can also join our paid classes which are held at Caricam in the center, 11th the floor, Arare CBT. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to make this top cabinets. Right, so for now, let me set this like this. Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. So from here we're going to make top cabinets. Alright, that's fine. So let me switch this viewport to top like this. Alright, so I'm going to draw a box again like we did at the first place. So draw a box, make sure 3D snap is on, then draw a box like this, then I'll edit this box. So this box is just a guide, right? So I have several ways that I can implement when creating kitchens, right, like this. I assume that this distance is approximately 50 centimeters, 45-50 centimeters. So let me snap this box here. So I deactivate these two, then make this one maximum and this one minimum like this. All right, then I'm going to push this box up by 45 centimeters, which enter on the keyboard like this. All right, so from this point of view, I'm going to increase the height of this top cabinet maybe to something like this. All right, so let me change this color to gray like this for now, then change this view to perspective like this, perspective like this. All right, so remember we have a corner here, so I must add an edge right here. So let me change this viewport to top like this, then activate wireframe override like this. So I'm not going to use anything except swift loop for now. So select swift loop, then create an edge, make an edge here like this. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to push this box, hit shift on the keyboard, then push, right, then snap this box right here like this. All right, so let me change this viewport to top like this, and I want to push this inside a little bit. Remember, these are top cabinets, right, like this. The measurement from this angle and this angle must be the same, but in the sake of this tutorial I'm not going to do that. All right, so this is perspective now. So the next thing that let me say, just in case. Okay, so I'm going to make this cabinet. So this is front like this. All right, so let me use this plane to make these two cabinets like this. Right, these two cabinets are 3 divided by 2. So from this point of view, I'm going to add a segment like this, and convert this to editable poly, convert this to editable poly like this, and click this Z-axis here, then push this A up, something like this. All right, something like this, something like this. This is awesome, right? So next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to extrude these edges by 0.2 centimeters. All right, so hit extrude right here like this, then change this value to 0.2 like this. Hit end on your keyboard. Okay, then delete these faces like this. Then I'm going to add a shell so that I'll have a thickness or a width like this. So last time I used 2 centimeters, so this is perfect. Perfect. So change this cabinet to black, then apply material, hit M on your keyboard to open material editor like this, or then assign material to selection like this. Alright, I want to snap this box here, this doors, cabinet doors here. So just leave this align, make sure you see the direction. So this is Y movement. So I'll turn offset like this, then make this one minimum and make this one maximum, and this one minimum, this one maximum, minimum, send down, pivot, send down, pivot. So let me see how best I can work with this one. Alright, so this is maximum, minimum. Alright, this is perfect now. So let me activate this shoeboard. Right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to make cabinets here. So I'm going to copy these ones, alright, and adjust on top view. So create these two, then make sure that 3D snap is off, then select, rotate and move. So like this. This is a copy, just a copy, not as instance like this. Then activate wireframe override like this. Then I'm going to position this to something like this. Alright, so let me adjust this so that it can fit my design. So this is S, snap it right here, then take this one, snap it right here, take this one, snap it here like this. Alright, so let me turn on this default shading. Alright, so this is perspective like this. Alright, so remember here with the fin extractor, so let me push this these vertices up. So this is left, right, this is left. So select these ones with control, select these ones, then push these vertices up to something like this. Okay, something like this. Alright, so from this point of view, I'm going to make a box like this, then convert this box to a table poly like this, then snap this vertex, snap it here like this. Alright, I'm going to boolean so that I can have an opening. Right, so I'm going to enlarge this box so that it can overlay that X axis like this. Then select this box. Okay, let me. Okay, I think that's fine. This is left. Okay, let me put these vertices so that they can overlap this Y axis like this. So let me select this box like this, then change from standard primitives to common objects like this, then select Pro Boolean, then start picking like this. Alright, so this is where we're going to place our fin extractor right here. Alright, that's fine. So remember, on this side we have this opening here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this box to editable poly like this, and then I can insert this thing, just insert this thing like this, just insert this thing like this, then extrude it a little bit inside, like this. Alright, this is perfect. So I'm going to copy this polygon, this one, is clone, and add a shell to it like this. Alright, so let me select everything here and deselect everything here. Alright, so let me select everything and deselect everything. I mean this cabinet. I'm going to extrude this one, then hit extrude on the keyboard like this, then push this up. This is 2 centimeters, remember. This is 2 centimeters, remember, like this. Alright, so I'm going to push this up. So turn off 3D snap and then make sure this the pivot is perfectly aligned like this. Alright, I want to push this up, but I'm assuming that there's an opening here, so I must close this opening. Right, so it's edge, then select cap to close this opening like this. Alright, so I'm going to make another copy of this one. This is front, right? So I'll switch to front like this. I'm going to make a copy of this one, right? With shift on a keyboard like this. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, so this is perspective like this. This is perspective. Alright, so let me make the walls. Let me save this project for now. Okay. Alright, welcome back guys in the third part of this tutorial. So the last thing that we're going to do for now is to make the walls. Then from there we'll apply textures. And then in the last part of this tutorial we're going to do lighting and rendering. So let me convert this rectangle to editable spline like this. Alright, I want to open this side for now, so I'm going to select this segment and delete it like this. Alright, I'll activate this render, enable in render and enable in figure like this. Remember, this is not a cylinder, so I'm changing this to rectangle like this. Remember, I'm making what? Right, so let me use a height of 2.5, which is 250. Alright, and adjust it from here like this. Remember, these are walls, so let me convert this to a editable poly like this. Alright, so this is front like this. So let me select this vertices and snap this vertices right here like this. Right, I'm going to push this down. Like this. Right, as you are seeing on this reference image, there's a small gap between the top cabinets and the ceiling. So I'll leave it as this. Right, so this is perspective. Right, so we now have our walls like this. So the next thing that I'm going to do from this point of view is to add the floor. So make sure this wall is snapped here. So let me convert this to editable poly and then put this walls here like this. Right, Control Z and like this. Okay, so let me draw our floor. So for the floor I'm using this plane like this. So let me take off these edges and snap this floor here. Right, so this is perspective. Let me change this color to something like gray like this. So this is our floor. Alright, so this is it guys. So from this point I think editing this table. Alright, so let me show you how to model that table. Alright, let me show you how to model that table. Alright, so let me use this view. This is top like this. Let me draw a box a box like this. All right, a box like this. All right, then rotate it like this, then push the table up somewhere here like this. So this is perspective. Then adjust the height of the box to something like this. All right, so hit M on the keyboard, apply this material, then change this color to black like this. All right, that's fine, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to do from this point of view is to let me adjust the length of this box. Right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to add the legs. I think this is wall mounted. This is wall mounted. I'm trying to figure out okay, I'm not seeing properly right here, but let me try to design what I'm seeing right there. So I'm just using a box again like this. I'm just assuming this is the way it was made. Alright, like this. So this is perspective like this. Alright, for the chairs, we'll download the chairs and import the chairs. Alright, like this. So I can adjust. Yeah. Okay, so let me select this one and this one and hide unselected like this. So this is front like this. So let me convert this box to a table poly and align these vertices. Alright, so let me align these vertices like this. Then I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to make a copy of this one like this. Then I'm going to copy and rotate this one again like this. Okay, so let me push this up a little bit, maybe somewhere here, and align these vertices right here like this. Align these vertices right here like this. So this is perfect. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you want to learn more, you can join our paid classes. I'll give you the phone number that you can contact me. Alright, so let me apply this material like this. Like this. Alright. This table is wall mounted. That's what I am assuming right here. So let me cook this one. Okay, we'll see as we go. Right, so this is what we have now. So guys, I'll do another tutorial doing the texturing, lighting and rendering. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bar so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video, the next video, I'm going to upload it very soon. So guys, upload. So if you want to get in touch with me, contact me on WhatsApp. This is my number, +263 71 222 433 5. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.